Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to talk about batch payroll entry, meaning we are going to process payroll for a group of individuals. So I am in the human resource module here. I got there by clicking on 2020 at the top and going to human resources. And this is showing me a Kanban view of all of the employees in our system. To process a batch payroll, what I'm going to do is click on the payroll menu at the top and then click on Payslip batches. The first thing I need to do is create a new batch, and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call this Fort Worth. Next, we want to put in the period of this batch we're going to run and make sure that our accounting journal is set to the right journal. I'm going to add it in here. Now we want to add in the employees that we are going to process for this Payslip batch. So the first thing we're going to do is click this button right here, add employees to batch. Next, we need to select the employees that we would like to add. So we're going to do that by clicking add an item, and then we're going to group this by operating unit, which is going to allow us to see all of our employees in their different offices or their different divisions. This one's going to be for Fort Worth. So we're going to take these 30 employees here, select them all, and hit select. That's going to add them all into our wizard. And now we can simply hit the generate, and this will process and create pay slips for all of the employees that have time in the system. So here you can see we have pay slips that have been created for each one of these individuals. I can now click on them and I can view them individually. I can see the details. I can click on the salary computation to see all of the calculations for their pay slips. But the easiest way to view the details of this batch is probably just to save it and print out the Payslip batch details report. This is going to give us a nice little report that will show us all the details of every individual that's on there. We can look at this, review, make sure that everything is good. We can go ahead and validate this batch, which will go and generate all the journal entries and get it ready for us to either send out direct deposits or print paychecks.